Hello, beautiful souls. How's your healing journey going today? I was thinking upon being too much. And when people say, oh, you're just too this, and you're just too that, my initial response is, well, go find less. That's kind of toxic also. The thing is be too much. Be too loud, be too quiet, be too shallow, be too outgoing, be too whatever it has to be, whatever you need, because that's you. And zero people should be dimming your light. And if they are, it's okay. It's something within them that they have to heal, or don't have to heal, they could heal. How's that? And it's okay. Because being you, being what the people who think they're normal say too much, well, the right people, the right beings will be gravitated towards you. And if I found mine yet, not sure. I'm a loner. You might have noticed. But I just wanted you to just be. Zero guilt, zero regrets, zero anything, because most of us beat ourselves up. Oh my gosh, should I have said that? Oh my gosh, maybe I was too loud. Maybe I was singing too loud. Last night I was singing at work, and my coworker's like, "Oh my God, I think you're losing it." And I said, "Nope, I'm actually finding it. Thank you." So before, that would have upset me. So just be you. Be that beautiful, spectacular light that's right there inside of you that I can see. If you could see what I could see, you wouldn't play small for anyone. Ahom, Sunnies.